You better stand next to your wife. We're living that executive life.
Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call?
Yeah.
No one, thank you, please, my
They wanna know who I do it for.
ain't low, just wondering.
Bitch, I do it for my... I suicide by my city. That means when I blow up, I'm taking all of you with me. My first name ain't Byron, but I'm the only one left, which means I'ma do it till I die. In my death wish is to kill the mic in my ears, make me scarier. This man first, wow, do not grill me, cause we'll release the bear. You better get used to me. I got an icebox where my heart used to be, and you can fill it with spores, and they'll get cold as the Rocky. So when I sip it, it's consistent to replace my old heartbeat. Flipping shit and I still smoke, motherfucker, so what? It's like I came up on a wheelchair, I'm just trying to roll up. I don't know about makeup, but bro, you better cover, girl, cause if I get the chance, I'm gonna take her to another world. I might endanger her, but there is no sustaining her, so when she gets in the back of my Jeep, I'm gonna wrangle her. We hustle in this bitch midnight to